Welcome to Fabricville. Today we're going to make our own bias tape. Bias tape is a slightly stretchy strip of fabric used to bind or reinforce raw edges. A piece of fabric isn't stretchy lengthwise or crosswise, but it does stretch diagonally along the bias. That's why we cut bias strips at a 45-degree angle to the grain line. Most sewing rulers have a 45-degree marking. To draw a bias strip, I use these markings and trace two parallel lines before cutting. Or I can use a cutting mat and a rotary cutter. Once I have my strip, I can pre-fold it with an iron by pressing it in half lengthwise, then pressing the edges toward the center. But the most efficient method is to use a bias tape maker. It's a small metal tool that comes in different sizes. I feed the end of my strip through the back of the tool, let it extend slightly at the front, and if needed, I use a pin to help guide it. The fabric folds automatically toward the center. I pin the edge of the bias tape to my board and press the folded strip while gradually pulling the bias tape maker backwards. And there you have it, bias tape ready to use. You will find our bias tape makers in store. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.